So what is that tea? That tea is... So guys, class 10th board just got over. For me, it ended this 11th March because my last exam was German. But now, what truly matters is the life ahead. Like, what are we gonna do ahead? We have no plans. We have been taking it so easy, and suddenly people are pressurizing us to choose that perfect stream. We have to manifest our careers in and every single thing. Alright, I totally get all the peer pressure. I also gave up on so many friendships this year. I know the depression of every single thing, just to be that cool person. But please listen to me. Take it and throw it away. It all does not matter. It all does not matter. What truly matters is what you want to do ahead. Okay, for many of you that will be choosing a stream. I'll be choosing PCB. I'm choosing PCB just not because my parents are telling me to do, but I'm choosing PCB because I believe I need to enhance my thinking skills more and more. Like, it's never enough. That would really be beneficial for me, and I know that can really help me in my future profession and stuff like that. For you, do whatever you want to do. Okay, all my very best with that. Now, if I talk about my past, I have been involved with so many initiatives, I've been involved with so many platforms, and you know what broke me? What broke my heart was a single no from a big brand just because of the country I am in. That broke me. That made me realize that the opportunities you are manifesting are based on the region you are in. The fire in me said this cannot be done this way. The opportunity I've been manifesting should not depend on my zip code. And that day I took up a platform which is called as That Team. So I got this idea a year back. I didn't got that much time to like pursue it further or to take it further because of my class 10 board this year. I was so nervous. This was my first national exam. I only wanted to give the attention it deserved. But still, I did few things for That Team. So what is That Team? That Team is a platform where it matches teens with mentors, collaborators, and the real world opportunities. Yes, the real world opportunities you see. Access the network. It took me like years to form. I'm giving it to you straight away. What you got to do is to fill a waitlist form. Okay, it is available on a website. It's 100% secure, guys. I am the one who is handling it all. So whenever we launch, the system's gonna be straight ahead of you, and you'll be matched by AI power matching. And a lot of things about my platforms will be coming. It's just like a workspace we all deserve. It's just like a platform we all deserve. Okay, so guys, until next time, I just want to tell you there's no comparison of you with someone else. The comparison of you is with yourself itself. You'll be improving, not that. Okay, it's just you in the game, not somebody else. Secondly, we all come from diverse backgrounds. I've seen so many people who are having so many privileges than me at my age. I cried it all. I just cried a lot. But then I realized that I have my hands. I have the capability to do every single thing. So you are also having the capability to do every single thing. My motive is to reach 1 million young people with opportunities. And I'm so committed to that. And I'm really looking forward to reaching that goal. Thank you so much for everybody who's been a part of this journey until now, and here's to more. So bye bye.